party no on say enter there they call elections bio be no mudi me me say me call for national chairman and you know pray me omo twa say Alhaji Masaudu for national chairman I conform bi na yes I never said me call national chairman, me call national first vice chairman. And no position me call national chairman. Obia whom the Bia Mutual Alhaji Masaudu call national chairman. They should treat it the content it deserves. And you know, pray. Yamibwa, Patino, Naitu Abama, and Namiba third vice chairman. Misako the same position. So Patino will say, Maya Jima, Eswani. To be pushing it from 30 to first, better or mercy. So Moon said, no, I like this time, the Uber second, better or mercy. So Mushi 30 never go, better or mercy. They are member and Adia, main bumper, said, but say, AB, in the Kodo Mushi, Alaja, you free a Bruno, and no, I mean bumper, say, party for a year day.
Inshallah, I know the answer.
But will be able to be at the trust, and I will try to be, sir. Alhaji Masaudu, we see me about national chairman, and you know, Nimba national chairman. So, you see, one day, me national chairman, and Yanipa, and Yabishi say, and India, Yamina see him. So, we are meaning, as some by in 24 friend,
yeah,
that's yeah, Kasa. Adia na our some I say for the trust say me say Alhaji Masaudu omo me dan Akwatia first class hotel emamba na nyana kwe na there is no video me no me can say omo Akwatia first class hotel emamba they are me patuyan so the more who can now go for the AI and I know the year never be na to say what can send this one. So who they are me who frame me on a principle and on any matter concerning about my political life, concerning about anything now here political there. Who say make me without any fear or panic.
Okay.
That some make the negotiable party no and I the Tautoba party there and parliament. Me Alhaji Masaudu party no would the party no I have to say I put out for the way me have Lincoln. Sana move party because me party no some popular number to me I sacrifice for the new patriotic party. I swear to God I will do that because me who say we are so we nyame or hata so we nyame na we me mame me papa who me ba we are so me who say me do obi sin pa me do obi to say MPP party because we sorry party no na minim party no na enime party no na me Alhaji Masaudu with the help of God no me Alhaji Masaudu and then there me will be a party no. So I dedicated my life and my everything to the new patriotic party. Winning this time around to for attention because I bring a car as a letter officer who can say you will probably have my letter invite our party headquarters. What can I say? I bring a Kataya. I'm a party about able to let us distance ourselves from what he said.
Mekaipa, I Duncan Williams, you know.
Yeah, 24 years this year, Nankora win Nanka. Because Panibia over to the fear, Nankora win Nanka, or Nanka, we floor, no Paninu walk.
And okay.
Who were Abuja Biawayano, yeah, new patriotic party. Adia Bunya Bia and the Gam Anna Ireland was said the party no entering to not say Abuja. And yet I tell you, Yantiano, Yatia Bunya, the Bia will let it be. Yes, I told Abunya cat in Dano. There are some Abunya Kai. Abunya say, IGP, the sense will form because the IGP, ultimately enough, Echi will be said. Odibi atamti omunko ede omunko chin na abra ye wo Ghana ha ama the president of the land today John Dramani Mahama categorically stated that Achim no a bigger tribe. You Asante Achim no Obiahu ni Achim Adam Ochihini Hindi Odi. O ka kire se Achim fo nyina eye Chakawa. Achim fo eye mafia.
It's you, Kasa.
That word, Akufo-Addo had sa look at him by that time. So, President Otigba, President Oya Ghana President, you know, Achim. Over you now, Akufo-Addo even challenging your mama said, Akufo-Addo by that time, Akufo-Addo should play. No, did he go in the 4th time? I know did it say 4th time.
Alaji Masawood, Sassam na ye can ye mampenya or teso sisia. Wabra na wonye mampanyino. Or say Achim mafias. Nature say a group of people bia na wamuya Achim fua wamuya mafias. But one kase Achim fo nyina eye mafias.
O si Achim saka obisi. Obi or see Achim obo Achim no. On Salati say Achim was see Achim Sakawa.
Say Achim Achim mafias. Or say Achim mafias.
Achim no. I am on Mafia no. Or say Achim no. Or say Omule Sakawa. Obianum Sakawa aye chrono. The man to me better like the like say Saka no aye Sakawa. Masa, this is a devastated comment. Spare anchor only invite you because
Alaji says some now can say Achim Mafia ne Achim Sakawado. One say now or a very specific with some names. What boy?
What you mean to say Obia Achim no say we Sakawa. Now Okase Asantis are ungrateful. Asante are ungrateful because would the gold kura eye kwema omo appreciate they are ungrateful. And you did the attempt and now you did the attempt.
Alaji wants going forward, to shape the narrative peacefully. Ewo Ghana ha yenyina ye hia sumdwe sa kasa no se free A and say free B wa ni nyina enye kasa enye. And going forward, being the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, me hunu say ayam candidates, omu running for the presidential primaries, so no. Ebi mo kasa ni bi ba kasa no nye. Na mi pacho efuto be na odbema aye presidential primary hopeful, for the New Patriotic Party. I'm talking about the candidates. Efuto be na odbema.
So mami andini the your mama ni o say I did attempt wo I did attempt there woni mean say I did attempt here to say ube sorry eka say Akufo-Addo ne kuni yere obi wo say Akufo-Addo ne kuni yere we nyina enya asem ayede
enya asem ayede
Ndura Thursday the National Council of Elders you're paying for National Council of Elders. I'm a hackman or also a demand dance for them. Me were intel say, we afraid all the presidential candidates, hopeful no, we MPP for no. Number we are going to Elizabeth, but it's about we should go on Zoom. So, me will give you a say, and Durano, you're paying for your elders, your respected, revered elders, no more party no. Ono munyina kasaye omo kasaye edi ma omo good counsel omo hun said this time around the New Patriotic Party need unity ye the same family akunja na to ye nyina pray any of the aspirants if he win he has to have support for his colleague no mumbra support no winning the main election. No. So all of them, they are not enemies to each other. Our common enemy or our direct enemy is the NDC. It's the NDC that we all gather our ammunitions, our bullets and everything to fight the NDC to bring back the integrity of Ghana for the past 8 years, the integrity and the respect and the development and the truth. The Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia built Ghana for the 8 years, you know. Then some bringing the back to track.
I did attempt no the but the NDC is not your enemy. Omo ayamo opposition.
Opponent. If I say enemy, I don't mean enemy of like Omo enemy.
Yeah, but
our opponent.
Opponents. And you kind of say,
yeah, as NPP there, the chairman of Kano. This what team were coming over the because you're paying for after Munina. You give you say almost respect the revered elders of the party because the Omufra Mundrano, Omuna the highest rank of the new patriotic party, elders, national elders of the party are Ombetibe, Kasa, Emma, Omono Muntie. Even national officers way. Now no what I say, maybe I say Omun treating me well no. That council of elders chairman no on the two say Alazi. The party will be Biakra, so on a Kura, and Sessa will call those stations. So apologize on behalf of the party, on behalf of the National Council, on behalf of the National Child Committee, on behalf of the National Council of Elders that you went to radio station and spoke. So, Ohoya Namim Yedai, we apologize here. Me here, Yampani Fono. So, no, did you say the way me here, we apologize here. Last time, so Bute. So the National Friends Vice Chairman.
Yeah.
Also can be on radio station.
Me pacho. No. Hano Bekas Hasam no.
I say here, but you for friend no. I'm going to apologize here. So Sana meaning say, some point for no omono presidential candidates, you know, ono mukasano there. You did you say all the aspirants, you know, on the clear the Ampanifuan Kayan. When you did say what team you are coming be, let him be happy. When you say till the 31st of John or Ebe to Abano, the Bayan Boko.